In 2026, clients don't just want a service, they want to feel as though they're your sole priority. But scaling that level of personalization manually is impossible. The secret isn't hiring more account managers, it's deploying AI agents to take care of the heavy lifting of client retention, while you concentrate on high-level strategy. Today, I'm going to show you how Bitrix 24 uses AI to automate personalization and keep your clients coming back for more. Bitrix 24 is an all-in-one CRM and business management platform. But what really sets it apart at the moment is how it uses AI. Not just to store client data, but to actively help you manage, retain, and grow your client relationships. Today, I want to walk you through 3 areas where it's AI-powered personalization, automated retention workflows, and predictive client management. Let's get started. So, here we are. Once we've logged in, we're on the main dashboard of Bitrix 24. So the first thing worth mentioning is Bitrix 24's built-in AI called Copilot. Most CRMs simply store your client history. Bitrix 24 actually reads it and does something with it. Copilot can generate personalized email drafts and client communications based on the specific history you have with that person. Not just a generic template with their name dropped in, but outreach that references the actual context of your previous conversation. That difference is important. Clients can tell when something's templated, can't they? They can also tell when something isn't. Copilot bridges that gap at scale, so even when you're managing hundreds of accounts, every touch point still feels personal. So before a client call, instead of scrolling back through months of notes and emails, Copilot brings everything together into a clear summary, the full history, key moments, and where things currently stand. Your team walks into every call fully briefed. Every single time. That's the sort of thing that makes clients feel remembered and valued without hours of manual preparation. The second area is automated workflows, and this is where Bitrix 24 really starts to feel like it's working away in the background for you. You can set up CRM triggers that automatically activate based on client behavior. If a client goes quiet for a certain number of days, a check-in is triggered. If engagement drops below a certain threshold, an action's taken. These are your triggers, which you can customize along with the automation rules. Once you reach your notification, you can tailor it however you need for these clients. All of the automation and notification settings and rules are right here under Workflow Automations. And you can see all the recent items you've used for your other workflow automations, along with the emails. You define the rules once and the platform takes care of the rest. The value here is that you're catching issues before they become real problems. Client churn rarely happens overnight. There are always signs, a missed callback, a slow response rate, a project that's gone off track. These workflows pick up on those signs and respond automatically, so nothing slips through the net. So we can just enter our subject. And it goes even further than that too. When a high-value client reaches a specific milestone in their journey, the platform can automatically assign the right task to the right team member. No manual handover, no one needing to notice and take action. The system manages the workflow independently, so your team is always one step ahead without even having to think about it. All the clients and workflows are here, all roles, all assigned, all of my tasks. The third area is where Bitrix 24 shifts from being a CRM to something more akin to a business operating system. The AI can predict client satisfaction and project success, spotting potential issues before they actually arise. That's a significant change. You see, most tools show you what's already happened. Bitrix 24 tells you what's likely to happen next, so you can stay ahead of the game. And because everything exists within a single unified workspace, your CRM data, your project management, your communications, the AI can cross-reference all of it. It's not just analysing email open rates, it's looking at project progress, the tone of communication, response times, and account history altogether. That gives you a genuine 360-degree view of how healthy each client relationship truly is. That's the real advantage of an all-in-one platform, compared to using 5 separate tools that don't communicate with each other. When everything's connected, the AI can actually see the whole picture and act on it. So, to sum it all up, Bitrix 24 provides you with AI that personalizes your outreach, workflows that automatically retain clients, and predictive tools that flag up issues before they cost you a relationship. So whether you're running a small team or managing a large client base, that combination is hard to argue with. Stop losing clients to the noise and start automating your attention. Click the link in the description to activate your free 15-day Bitrix 24 trial and put AI to work for your client management today. Don't forget, click the link in the description, tap the like button and make sure you hit subscribe. See you in the next one.